Oh, is it working again? Boys, just fucking grab him!
Give me your hand.
What's up, guys? Squink here. It's been a while. It's been a week. But I'm back, and we're jumping right into it. Code Blue Cam. He laughed at the taser, but didn't see the pepper spray coming. You don't say. Alright, jumping in. Never seen it, obviously.
2024, police were dispatched for a trouble with party call in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The caller reported that her 59-year-old brother named Edward was experiencing a mental crisis, screaming and damaging property. She also mentioned that he carried a knife and that she had locked herself in the bathroom for safety. The previous day, police had been called to the same address after a neighbor reported that Edward was outside yelling and swearing while holding a shovel. Additionally, he was currently out on bond from a prior arrest for resisting after he had barricaded himself in a hotel room. He is also a convicted felon and registered offender from an incident that occurred in 1999.
Alright, so this is a real piece of work we're dealing with here.
From his property.
Okay, what's going on?
He is very abusive. He has rearranged my mom's whole house.
Okay.
He cannot stay here. It's my other brother's house.
Okay.
And he was just released from jail the other day.
Okay.
Because he barricaded himself into a motel room.
Okay. So what did he do today? Here.
Guys, this is all very unnatural behavior. Usually not something you would see on a day-to-day basis. So obvious issues going on here. So
He's screaming and hollering. Her central air won't work no more because he broke it in there.
How did he break it?
It just won't work.
I know,
The
but did he
furnace won't work,
hit
nothing.
it or
And
smash
he
it?
cannot be here. He's a
with his
offender.
mind,
Okay.
And the school's right up this hill.
Okay, I'll go talk to him.
the squirrels right up the hill.
See, he's out here?
Yeah, he's out there.
Okay. Hi, Ed.
You got some security card?
Yes.
I do.
That's it?
No. What's going on today?
Nothing. Finished smoking cigars.
Okay. Were you yelling and screaming inside at all?
Hell no, I've been outside.
Okay.
No, he was screaming at me out here.
Screaming at him outside?
Did she just start mowing the lawn?
Yeah, can you shut that off so I can hear?
I'm outside.
I see you're outside. Were you yelling at her outside
Hell no,
here?
I'm screaming at God. You know that.
Why are you screaming at God?
Screaming in love.
What's that?
In love.
You're in love? Okay, that's good.
That is good.
Unfortunately, though, you can't be screaming outside if it's causing a disturbance, and
I
you're...
didn't disturb anybody.
Well, you disturbed her.
Sir.
That's why I'm here. She called us.
She didn't call you.
She did, yeah.
Dispatch didn't call you.
What?
Dispatch from downtown did not call you.
I don't know what you're talking about, Ed.
Ed, please. Let's not.
Can I see your social security?
No, you can't.
Oh, there's a real police officer.
Yep.
That's a real sheriff.
Thank God.
Now, what's he gonna do to you?
He's not going to do anything to me.
I don't know.
So, I don't know why we keep coming back here, Ed, to have,
But you
to
come
have
back here
issues
for no
with you.
reason. You
Well-
chase me all over, you f***ing arrest me for no reason.
I'm here because they're
You didn't
claiming you were
sail
being
across the
disorderly.
damn thing. They didn't sail me. Who let themselves out of there? I walked. They were right behind me.
I don't know what you're talking about, Ed.
Oh, what about that room you built?
I love that he's smoking a massive cigar during this
Are you
interaction.
feeling okay today, Ed?
Yes, sir. Hi,
Okay.
police officer. Hey, you are sheriff.
We were here yesterday because you
You're
all...
not. You're lying. Wasn't
You may have forgotten, but I was here yesterday. And,
remember you.
yep, I was here.
I don't remember you.
So we can't continue to keep coming back here because
I don't know
you're
why he
out
does.
causing disturbances.
I haven't said shit, have I?
I wasn't here when you said anything, but they're claiming that you were out here yelling and screaming at
You
people.
said you weren't here.
Right. I don't understand what you're trying to say.
No,
Can you hang out with him for a minute? I'm going to talk to Mom inside.
The officer then went inside to speak with the tenants. They reported Edward was behaving very unruly and everyone in the house wanted him out.
I'll work on getting him out of here.
How many people live in this house?
You bet. So, Ed, according to everybody inside, you can't be here any longer.
Yep.
So, do you have a place to go?
Yep. Sure do. I'll get there tomorrow.
Okay. Well, we're going to be here until you're leaving because you can't be here anymore. So go ahead and collect your things, and you can start heading to wherever you're headed to.
Still got your room at the quality, yeah?
Go ahead and collect your things, Ed.
I'm getting them right now. I'm smoking a cigar first.
What's that?
She said no.
Oh, yeah. Well, she just told me that she wants you to leave.
She said, why you? I
Well, my name's not Ed. She said I want Ed to leave.
mean, I don't think she said that.
Do you have anything in the trailer there?
We're not going to sit here while
What
you
a
smoke
badass,
cigar.
dude.
You need to get up and collect your
Sir.
things and leave the
You
property.
need to get the fuck up or give us a cigar to smoke as well, and then we'll deal with this situation.
sexually harassing me.
The alternative is going to be to go to jail for disorderly
You can
conduct.
get back to jail again for no charges?
Disorderly conduct is a possibility.
I am not caught. You're the f***ing up. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I was called here because you were yelling and screaming at your sister, creating a disturbance. That's why we were called here. And we're willing to let you leave if you have somewhere else to go without going to jail, but if you're refusing to leave, then you're going to go to jail. I'd rather not do that. So that decision is yours, but I'd like you to make a smart decision and just get up, collect your things, and go wherever you want to go. I think that sounds pretty reasonable. Unfortunately, you don't have a while.
I have one to think, but I ain't gotta figure out where I'm gonna go.
You said you had a place to go, right?
Where are you gonna take Tennessee?
How about you don't think about our tennis shoes and you think about where you're going to go?
Dancing shoes.
You keep interrupting me. What?
Well, you need to move your body.
Why are you starting to get me? I have done something wrong. You arrested me last time for nothing.
I've never arrested you for anything. We need you to leave while we're here.
Why don't you pack while you think? Why don't you pack them up while you figure out where you're going to go?
I gotta think.
You can't think and pack at the same time?
No. I do one thing at a time.
Well, yeah, we're not going to play games with you. We
Well,
need you
can
to
you-
get up and move, or
you
you're going to
smoke and
come
think
with
at the
us.
same
What?
Do not get aggressive with us.
I ain't. I'm just standing here. Ground vibrating.
This guy is main character energy, baby.
You're going to stay outside.
I don't know where you're gonna go. I'm going to house my family.
They don't want you inside.
We'll shoot a gun. Open the door. Yeah.
Ed, you're not going to go
I'll
inside
go
the
back.
house. You're not going to go inside the house, Ed.
Ah, shit!
Is that a
Taser.
gold
Taser.
watch?
Taser.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, yeah. Lovely.
Oh, my.
What's the matter?
Put your hands behind your back.
I have never heard a taser make that noise. I don't know what pieces of shit we were using, but this sounds like something out of an action movie.
No.
Relax. Do it now.
Oh,
Go inside the house, Ed.
ah, shit!
You're going to get tased. Stop.
Taser.
Stop.
Tase my ass. Taser.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, yeah. Lovely. What's the matter?
Put your hands behind
Dude,
your back.
that sound.
Relax. Do it now.
Oh, yeah. I love it.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
What an animal.
No.
Okay, so here's the next 5 seconds.
904 taser deployed. Put your hands behind your back. Your hands.
Yeah.
Third. It should lock up now. He shouldn't be able to do it again.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yep. Oh, is it working again? Boys,
Put your
just
hands behind your
fucking
back.
grab him!
Give me your hands.
Okay, I don't know what the fuck we're doing here. I don't know why they're so afraid to fucking touch the guy. They're like terrified to touch this guy. Grab his fucking hands and do what you need to do. Why are we shooting him over and over and over and pepper spraying him? This looks really fucking sketch. This looks real fucking sketch.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, good.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, I don't like this.
Relax. Give me your
It's also important to know that while that taser's going, his muscles are locking up. So he's going to grab tighter onto whatever this is right here, the post. He's not going to be able to bring the hand. Once you don't hear that beeping, yeah, he can. But I don't know why they're just not grabbing his... I don't understand this whole thing.
Bob, where you not? Robert Lloyd's my brother.
Put your hands behind your back.
Jerry, help me out.
Do it now.
Get your hands behind your back.
Fuck. Oh my God, you're killing me.
Put your
I don't know why they're not grabbing his hands and just putting them behind him.
hands behind your back.
I really don't.
Go.
And then the pepper spray on top of it all.
Yep, that one. Yep.
Why you get these f***ers? Gonna break my f***ers.
Relax.
I need a straw.
He's in a weird position. But this is what they should have done the first time. I didn't... I did not determine that he was actively aggressive. I mean, I guess some departments allow for you to tase if they're running away, but this guy, really? This is the guy? This is the one?
Stand up.
Yeah. Yeah, you want to steal my fanny pack, I bet. Arrest them! They're right, baby! Right in front of your eyes! Get down in my pocket!
You also got to take into account, like, the guy's, he's got some mental issues going on. I mean, the previous calls they were talking about, you got to take that into account.
Hey, look at the both of them. Got it. He's on some probes quick.
Let's walk over to the
Yeah,
car there.
that's a lot.
Passenger side. Good start to a Sunday morning.
Did you get a good connection on those?
Yeah, he went through several cycles, but every time he would pull up the cord, so I'd have to deploy another probe.
What's he doing today?
Oh, not well. More aggressive today. He tried to, after we told him he had to leave and that he's going to get arrested if he didn't, he tried to get back into the house and then became resistive and wrapped both arms around that frickin' post of the deck there. They couldn't free him, so several cycles with the taser and spray, and he still fought until we forced him. You know, he didn't really. He get through a cycle.
This guy should be going, hey, but why didn't you just fucking use your muscles, your man muscles, and just kind of grab his arms and put them where you needed them?
And then he would rip the cords, you know. So I'd have to deploy another probe into him to get a connection, and then it'd go through another cycle, and he'd do the same thing. I'm gonna take him down to Gunnarson's for med clearance, and hopefully he'll. I mean, he seems a little calmer now, but just don't know he's going to jail, and that he fought with us.
Anytime you tase someone, you got to go take him down to the hospital and get him medically cleared.
They wanted him gone, and I think him going into the house is just gonna give us more problems. Yep. Want your window down, Ed? We'll get your face rinsed off as soon as we get down to the hospital.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Up, okay?
I forgot about the pepper spray. That's even worse, dude. That's the worst part.
Go ahead. I get out.
Turn your feet out.
I get out, sir. Don't help me.
I'm just going to help you so you don't fall over.
If you don't help me, I can get out a lot easier.
Okay.
We all.
It also opens up all your mucous membranes, as you can see there.
Yes. We know how to get out. Oh, that's up to my show there.
Decontamination. Yep, that's where we're going.
All right.
Nope, never mind.
During the arrest, the officer also sustained a laceration to his arm that required medical treatment.
I get out.
Oh, I got your seatbelt. Okay.
I get it.
Okay.
Thank you. Vivaldi, you in there? You saw me.
What?
Right over here.
How many times have we seen this jail, boys?
Nope, we can have a seat.
Many times.
The jail staff
How many videos have we seen in this jail?
will come and take those off.
All right.
As a result, Edward was charged with felony resisting an officer causing injury, misdemeanor counts of disorderly conduct, bail jumping, and he was subsequently released on a $1,000 signature bond. As of July 25th, the court determined that Edward was not competent to stand trial. He has been ordered to undergo treatment, and the case has been suspended until January 2025 to reassess his competency.
Oh, I wonder what happened.
Visit CodeBlueCam.
Okay, thank you, Code Blue Cam, for another video. We couldn't do it without you, literally. Okay, so, being an ex-police officer that I am, would I have done that? No. I think that was a little extra, as they say. I think these big boys should have just used their big boy muscles with tattoos and just grabbed his arms and did what they needed those arms to do, which is go behind him. Several cycles of the taser, I think, were very, very unnecessary. The pepper spray from Officer Wilson seemed very, very extra. He also seemed very stressed out during the whole situation. Yeah, I wouldn't have done any of that. I would have tackled the guy as he was running and then effected the arrest. If he was clenching up, I would have just grabbed his arms with my fellow officer and put his arms behind his back. I don't see the need for it. If I had done what these guys did in every situation that I was involved in like that, I would have tased so many fucking people. Hundreds of people. I would have been the tasing son of a bitch of the West. I would have tased so many people but no, I didn't, because I would just grab their arms with my muscles and, you know? And sometimes they were even bigger than me, and that wasn't hard because I was a small officer, but none of this matters. It's good to be back. I'll be consistent, for me. But anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. These will be daily, so see you tomorrow.